Today we are going to start probability. In probability, here we deal with a situation that it is a favorable, how much is the chance to be happen or how much is the chance not to be happen. Now from use of this probability, this is a part of maths, and from this probability you can predict what is the future with respect to your taking the past events. So here the probability formula is number of outcomes favorable to any event. Okay, any event there can be upon total number of possible outcomes. Now whatever the total number of possible events are there, that will be in your denominator. Now here we call it sure event. The probability of a sure event is always 1. Now if I ask that what is the probability that tomorrow sun will rise, so that is a sure event, 100% that is going to be true. So the probability of sure event is always 1. Now if I ask what is impossible event, so which day sun is never going to rise, on which day sun is not going to rise, so that is an impossible event, it can never happen. So impossible event is that the probability of impossible event will be 0. Okay, now we take few questions. Here question is, a letter is chosen from a word triangle, what is the probability that it is a vowel? Now triangle, we have the word here. Okay, now we can see that the total number of words are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of outcomes, total number is your 8. Now number of vowels are your favorable. Okay, so here number of vowels are 1, 2 and 3. So probability will be favorable, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So here favorable outcome is 3 and total outcome is 8. So the probability will be 3 by 8 of getting a vowel. We have another question here. Find the probability that the month of February may have 5 Wednesdays in a leap year, and in non-leap year you need to find the probability. So we know that in leap year Feb has 29 days. Okay, so in 29 days, now I am taking part A. Total number of days are 29. Now in 29 days you will have 4 weeks. In 29 days you will have 4 weeks plus 1 day more. Now in 4 weeks you will get 4 days everything. Means 4 Sundays you will have, 4 Wednesdays, 4 Tuesdays, 4 Thursdays, 4 plus 1 day more. Now this 1 day can be your Monday, can be your Tuesday, can be your Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it can be Saturday or it can be Sunday, any one of them. So to get the probability that you have 5 Wednesdays. Now due to 4 weeks you have 4 Wednesday already. Now 5th day it can be any one option. Any favorable outcome is 1 from the 7 outcomes. So the probability will be 1 by 7. Now we come on non-leap year. In non-leap year total number of days are 28. So in 28 you will have only 4 weeks. So it is impossible to have 5th day. Means 4 weeks, 4 Sundays, 4 Mondays, 4 Tuesday. So there will be no 5th Wednesday. So here the probability of getting 5 Wednesday in non-leap year will be 0.